If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Brush Settings panel in Photoshop lets you change all the settings of the currently selected painting tool in Photoshop, like the brush tool, for example. To show or hide the brush settings panel in Photoshop, click the Toggle the Brush Settings panel button in the Options bar control panel. If this button doesn't appear in the Options bar control panel for the currently selected tool, then the tool has no brush settings you can change. To apply color dynamic settings to a brushstroke in Photoshop, which applies random changes to the current foreground color in a brushstroke or its brush tip marks, click the Color Dynamics brush setting. Doing this also enables this brush setting. To apply the color changes to the brush tip marks versus the brush stroke, check the Apply Per Tip checkbox at the top of the right side of the Brush Settings panel. To set the percentage of random color change between the current foreground color and background color applied to the brush tips or brush strokes in Photoshop, use the foreground/background jitter slider or enter a percentage into its adjacent field. To set what, if anything, determines the dynamic control for the color, select your desired choice from the Control dropdown. Choices include Off, Fade, Pen Pressure, Pen Tilt, Stylus Wheel, and Rotation. If you select Fade, then enter the steps for the color Fade into the field to the right of the Control dropdown. Each step is usually one instance of the brush tip mark within the larger brushstroke, unless you change the brush tip count per step within the Scattering brush setting. Note the Fade setting doesn't apply to color dynamic settings applied per brush stroke, only per brush tip. To set the percentage of random change to apply to the hue of the brush tips or brush strokes, use the Hue Jitter slider or enter percentage into its adjacent field. To set the percentage of random change to apply to the saturation of the brush tips or brush strokes, use the Saturation Jitter slider or enter a percentage into its adjacent field. To set the percentage of random change to apply to the brightness of the brush tips or brush strokes, use the Brightness Jitter slider or enter a percentage into its adjacent field. To set the color purity of the brush tips or brush strokes, which changes the intensity of the color applied, use the Purity slider or enter a positive or negative percentage into its field as needed. Note that this is not a jitter setting and is instead applied equally to all brush tips or brush strokes you paint. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.